For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The situation in Gujarat is worsening by the day as massive rains have resulted in a flood-like situation. On Wednesday, several parts of the state were inundated due to heavy downpour. The situation in Gujarat remains grim due to massive rainfall, throwing life out of gear. A video of cattle being washed away in the floods has surfaced. The cattle got washed away in Khijadia Mota village in Rajkot due to strong current of the water. Streets were completely inundated and flooded, making it difficult for the movement of people. Over 1,000 people have been affected in low-lying areas in Saurashtra in the last 2 days. As many as 1,162 people were evacuated from low-lying areas and shifted to safer places in Jamnagar, Devbhoomi Dwarka and Porbandar district in the last couple of days. Heavy rainfall resulted in severe waterlogging in Gujarat's Dwarka city. Several parts of Devbhoomi Dwarka, Jamnagar, Junagadh, Porbandar and Rajkot districts in Saurashtra witnessed very heavy showers. Due to heavy rainfall, a 30-year-old bridge collapsed in Junagadh. The Brahmaputra river is flowing above the danger mark at Niyamati Ghat in Jorhat and Dhubri. Saurashtra, North and South Gujarat are the worst hit due to persistent rainfall in the state. Water levels receded at several places in the state as nearly thousands remain affected. Districts of North Gujarat are likely to experience winds at 40 km per hour accompanied with light to moderate rainfall at isolated places. A total of 6 NDRF teams have been deployed in various parts of the state to carry out rescue operations. The Indian Meteorological Department said the monsoon remains vigorous with heavy to very heavy rainfall. The IMD has predicted heavy rainfall for the next few days in several districts of Gujarat. Thunder showers accompanied by lightning is likely to occur at most places in the state in the coming days.